Hello everyone, my name is Bolas Ibrahim and I'm the co-founder and CEO at Argentum Electronics, where we're on a mission to change the way we distribute power in buildings from alternating current to direct current using a patented approach. This mission decarbonizes the planet and saves any building type up to 40% electricity costs. The problem we're solving is a problem of power distribution inefficiencies. About 140 years ago, Thomas Edison lost the war of the currents to Nikola Tesla, and we're paying the price for this today. That's because most of the devices we use today are digital and use direct current, not alternating current. And the price we pay is in the conversion from alternating current to direct current, which is about 30% loss in most cases. The solution to this problem is something we call Spacer. Spacer is a system of plug-and-play modular DC power distribution systems for installers and integrators that are all plug-and-play and easy to install. And it's also a system of wireless mesh multi-sensors that make this system more intelligent, kind of like a smart grid in every building. And it's all powered by AI software and an API that's open for anyone to use and any integrator to use in their own software. The system kind of looks like this in a building, where a lot of the processing is done in the cloud, a bunch of sensors on site that are wireless and communicate with a hub, and power distribution all across using Ethernet cables. We have 2 granted patents that cover this technology, but really what we invented is something called transformerless isolation, which allows us to stay safe with these systems, which is a first system of its kind in the world. The beachhead markets we chose to play with are markets where we sit at the intersection of, and these are building automation and prefab modular construction. The reason we chose these 2 markets is because our business model is 2-pronged, where we have an enterprise sale, usually to the prefab construction site, that's followed by recurring services because we have our infrastructure and we own the data and power infrastructure on site. So that allows us to do things like IT service management, security and access control systems, as well as building automation, which make very lucrative recurring contracts. The competitive landscape here is very fragmented. It's full of a lot of large corporates who are dominating the building automation space, and a few smaller startups popping up in the DC power distribution. It's important to marry these two because they use the same wires for everything. Our go-to-market strategy is 2-pronged. We can go direct to the customer, but we like to partner up with architects, building engineers, consulting firms, and electrical contractors to reach their customers. So far, we've done about $100,000 in deployed contracts, and we're on track to do another $100,000 this year. And if one of them goes well, it'll turn into a $2 million project. Our channel partners highly recommend us, and they love what we do. They've been very public in saying that and recommending us to their partners in work as well. Our revenue projections are based on number of installs. We can hopefully hit the $1 million ARR mark in 2 years. Our core team is full of people who are passionate about changing the environment, who are passionate about electronics and know this field very, very well, and are also passionate about bringing AI and intelligence into the picture. I thank you for listening, and I hope that you'll join us on our journey to bringing a planet that's more efficient and more sustainable.